How to change Instagram password. Hello everyone, in this video you'll be learning how you can change your Instagram password. So if you've been trying to know how you can do about it, just ensure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Instagram account, move to the bottom right corner and click on your profile icon. And then on the profiles page, the next step is to move to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then in the options displayed, ensure you select settings and privacy. And then on the settings and privacy page, select account center. And so once you're on your account center page, scroll down and click on password and security. And so on your password and securities page, you see several options, right? Such as login and recovery, change password, two-factor authentication, save to login. Just click on change password. And so if you have multiple accounts like I do here, you'll be asked to select the accounts whose password you would like to change. For me, it's my um Instagram account, so I'll just select that. And then the next thing is for you to enter in your current password, which I'm about to do now. And then enter in your new password, the one that you would like to use. Ensure it compiles or it's okay with the rules and regulation of Instagram. And so click on change password, and then just like that your password will be changed. But ensure that your current password is correct, it's typed in correctly. Then click on change password, and then wait for it to load, just like I'm doing here. And then your password has been changed, as you can see, just like that. So go and make that change now. Thanks for watching and have a good day.